Greetings of the day, my dear Goenkans. I welcome you to my EVS class, and today we are starting with the new topic that is India, my country. Let's begin with an introduction. India or Bharat? We live in a country which is multilingual and multicultural. You know why India is called as India? Because the name India has been derived from the river which flows in the northern part of India, which is called as Indus. Since we live in a country called India, so we are called as Indians, and the capital of our country is New Delhi. India is also called as Bharat by our neighboring countries. Also, they refer our country not as India but as Bharat, because there was a king who ruled here for 100 years ago. So every country or every nation has certain symbols which are very special. Our country, in the same way, also have national symbols, and these national symbols are national flag, national anthem, national emblem, national song. We also have other national symbols for national bird, national animal, national flower, etc. Let's get to know about them. National flag or tricolor. You know, our flag has three colors: green, white, and orange. And each has specific, why it is so. I will let you know about it. But on the whiter band, there is a chakra or wheel which has 24 spokes. Now, let's get to know about the each color of our flag. Saffron stands for bravery, courage, and sacrifice. White stands for purity, green stands for prosperity. My dear students, we must take care of our national flag. We should respect it. Anyhow, we should not burn it or soil it. It is highly prohibited. That's it for today. Let's meet tomorrow. Bye bye.